Hello everyone, welcome to Sunshine Corner. Today I will talk about family, 家人。Family in Mandarin is 家人，家人，这是我的家人。This is my family. Father in Mandarin is 爸爸，爸爸。Mother in Mandarin is 妈妈，妈妈。我爱我的妈妈 I love my mom. Older brother in Mandarin is 哥哥，哥哥。Older sister in Mandarin is 姐姐，姐姐。Little sister in Mandarin is 妹妹，妹妹。我有一个妹妹 I have one little sister. Little brother in Mandarin is 弟弟，弟弟。I have two little brother. 我有两个弟弟。Grandpa from father's side is 爷爷，爷爷。Grandma from father's side is 奶奶，奶奶。Uncle from father's side is 叔叔，叔叔。Auntie from father's side is 姑姑，姑姑。Grandpa from mother's side is 外公，外公。Grandma from mother's side is 外婆，外婆。Uncle from mother's side is 舅舅，舅舅。Auntie from mother's side is 阿姨，阿姨。爸爸妈妈哥哥姐姐妹妹弟弟爷爷奶奶外婆外公。这是我的家人，我爱我的家人。This is my family. I love my family. Thank you for watching. If you like, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, Sunshine Corner.